Let's make raw mango marmalade. It's very much delicious and side dish of any lunch or dinner. You can enjoy in any weather or in any season. So let's start. I am taking 4 raw mango. You can take any variety of mango which is raw. I am peeling over there. Peel and cut a small chunk. In any desired shape you can cut it. See, all the mango has been cut. In a pan, take cooking oil, heat it, add cumin seed and roast it well. Now I will add red chili. Roast for a minute and add diced mango very carefully because oil is splashing. So now I will cover it and put it on another flame to cook at the medium flame. Now I am making spices. I am taking coriander seeds, approximately 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, red chili and this fenugreek seed about half a spoon. Now I will roast it well till aroma came. See, the masala has been roasted well. Now I will stir the diced mango. See, it releases juices and it becomes tender. Now I will cover again and cook for 4 to 5 minutes and mango has been soft and perfectly cooked. See, it's juicy and sticky. Now I will add jaggery, approximately 200 gram jaggery I am taking here. You can take according to your taste. If you eat more sweet, then you can take some more. Now the spices has cooled down. I will blend it in a blender jar. See, the perfectly fine powder of spices has ready. Now I am adding 2 spoon black salt and 2 spoon white salt. For color, I am adding Kashmiri red chili powder. This is for color only. It's not hot. Now again check the mango. See, the jaggery has caramelized and melted and the juice of the mango is also coming out and all the jaggery and mango is becoming soft and juicy and my kitchen has been filled the aroma of this mango and jaggery. It's so delicious. So at this stage I am adding the spices, roasted spices and mix well. Again I am covering it and cook for a while, 2 or 3 minutes at the medium flame. So all the aroma of spices, mango and jaggery will be completely mixed and the mixture of marmalade has ready, and as well as gradually it will cool down and it becomes more thick and creamy. See, all the mango diced has been cooked perfectly. So at this stage I will switch off the flame and let it cool down. Gradually it becomes more thick and more creamy and more juicy. So try it in your kitchen. This recipe is very healthy because it don't have any processed thing like sugar or mango pulp. To make this recipe is also very easy. So try it in your kitchen and write back to me. So for the new and tasty and easy to make recipe, for subscribe my channel, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.